outside in an AMG, right outside, TT, two-turn baby girl, you know me, still with the dolls that I grew aside.
It is vlogmas day 6. Hello you guys, I hope everyone is doing good. I'm doing okay. I'm just extremely hungry because of course I didn't eat breakfast. Of course I didn't go to the grocery store to get something, and I really could run in Walmart right now and get something, but I don't like Walmart. I don't like Walmart like that. But it is such a rainy day. It says it's supposed to stop raining around 4. We'll see. But I'm outside, and today is basically gonna be just a money making day. Well, I'm gonna try to make some money today. That's all I can say. Is I'm gonna try my absolute hardest to make some money. So hopefully some orders come in. I have on Instacart and Spark right now. DoorDash is not busy. I guess I could turn on Uber, but yeah, hopefully we can get some orders on Spark because that's what I really want to do. Yeah, so that's basically how my day is gonna be, just working, and then I'm going to make myself some fried chicken and french fries for dinner tonight. I guess whenever I have my first order, I'll come back and check in with y'all because I don't really have much to talk about right now. I'm honestly about to edit because these videos are pre-recorded. Today is actually November 30th. I'm starting ahead just so that I can stay on track. If I start early, then I have a better chance at actually finishing, and I really want to. Like, it would make me so happy to actually stay focused on something and finish it, because I'm gonna be honest, I have not been focused at all this year. Like 100% focused. Like what is wrong with my throat? Like giving something my full focus, it has not happened at all this year. Like, I've been so distracted with other stuff. So I really want to complete this and upload every day for 25 days. It would just prove to me that I have the ability to stay focused, because this year, no, I haven't been focused at all. Like, I give something my attention, but then something else will get more of my attention, and that's not good. That's why I feel like I'm definitely in the place that I am right now, because I haven't been focused. So yeah, like I was saying, these are a few days ahead just so that I can stay on track. So we took our first order. It's only $13 and it's on Instacart. It's some tampons. So about to go knock this out, and hopefully after that so we can get something higher. But this is simple, so I don't mind shopping it. So I found it, but still transitioning. The connection is so bad in here, so I'm gonna have to go to the front of the store. And of course she added more stuff. And I can't see the freaking pictures. All right, got all of the items. Ooh. Cough drops. Okay, none of them are working. When that happens, can't scan barcode and take a picture. Take a picture. Boop. Bro, that took entirely too long because the connection was so bad. Oh my gosh. All right, let's take this picture. Now we gotta scan the barcode. That took too freaking long, bro. Like, hey, y'all don't get some better connection up in there. Got everything. It says due ASAP. I would have been there, but the connection, dang, they're making me look bad. 7 minutes away. Let's go. Down my way, and I have on DoorDash and Uber Eats and also Instacart. But I just accepted my first order. $6.50 wands, literally just 2 items, and I forgot the miles, but it should be up on the screen. Let's go over there and pick this up. Hopefully it's done. Hopefully it's done. Here. I am continuing this vlog. I'm gonna be honest with y'all. This week has been a complete shit show. Like, just bad, okay? Really bad. But I just took my first order. It's not too bad, but it's not really good either. This one is $23.84 and it is 11.2 miles, 2 customers. Guess when I have the orders, I will come back and check in. I'm so freaking excited to be working. Like, what? Your girl got the stuff, okay? And it did not take too long. We have the small order in the back and the bigger one in the trunk. They're both pretty small though, so that's good. So yeah, we're on our way, drop off, and hopefully, you know, today continues to go smooth and we can keep making some money, okay? That's all I want, bro. Like, that's all I want. I just want to make some money. Where it looks so sketchy back here. I'm so glad that it's daytime. I don't get scared of many things, but I feel like coming back here at nighttime would be so scary. Because her apartment was definitely in the cut. I love this job. Like, I just love driving and just seeing greenery. Back outside, and we have our next order. Child, coming this way is so bad. Like, it is always traffic. But we got the next order. This one is like 20, can I still see? Oh yeah, it's 26.70 and it is 7.3 miles. So I noticed that once it gets around to like 4:30, 5 o'clock, that's when it starts to pick up and I'm able to actually get orders. We're gonna see how much more I'll be able to do. Hopefully there'll still be orders coming in, so I can at least try to do like maybe 2 or 3 more. So I just dropped off to the first person. If y'all do this, because I know I'm not the only one that do stuff like this, but definitely be careful, because everybody is not normal and everyone is not a good person. Nothing happened. I just wanted to say that, like, please be careful out here. I hate going to, like, I don't want to sound rude, but sometimes I really hate going to those apartments because it's always some guys like standing outside and they always being loud and stuff. But they weren't rude. Like, literally nothing happened, but I don't know, sometimes men really creep me out. Folks be weird. I definitely don't like going to these apartments, like these, once again, in quotation, apartments, those type of apartments at night, because it's just always, it just be scary. Like, you don't know what's gonna happen, but I am protected, so I'm good. But yeah, I just wanted to say that it was a dude in a van and 4 other guys standing outside. One was on the phone being loud as hell, being very disrespectful. He was on the phone talking to a lady, calling her the B word. Like, sir, please. They didn't say nothing when I walked up the stairs. Then when I came down, one of the dudes was talking about some, I forgot what he said. Something underlines of like, what's up? And the other one said, hey, where you from? I think I've seen you before. And all I did was laugh and said, kept walking. So nothing happened, but just be careful out here, because folks is crazy. Am I going the right way? Oh no. See, I'm steady talking to y'all and I didn't turn. Oh, okay. I gotta go. Alright, we good now. But it's crazy because I was out here earlier. Maybe because it's dark. I can't really see for real. And then I'm talking. Trying to talk and drive sometimes can be a little crazy. But I'm good. I'm good. I'm almost to the drop off. How many trips will we have to make? Trip number 2. I just accepted my next order. This one is $27.78 and it's 5.7 miles. I have to pick it up at 7:45. It is ready right now, but I can't like start my trip until 7:45. But yeah, it is getting kind of late, so I don't know if I'll be able to do another one. I guess we'll just have to wait and see, because I probably won't get done with this one until a little after 8. So I don't know, but I would say today has turned out okay. It's been a pretty decent day, I guess. Look at the house. Oh, it's so beautiful. Look at that. I'm about to fry me some chicken and put some french fries in the air fryer. Got some fresh oil. Thank you. But he's lying. That's fine. Thank you. He's lying. Alright, let's turn this up. Get that ready to go. So now I'm about to season my chicken. The only thing I'm mad about is that I don't have any more pepper. Like, I literally used all my pepper. So I'm finna be without pepper on my chicken wings, but trust me, still finna be good. I did not feel like going to the store, so I didn't get any pepper or hot sauce. That's a fresh oil. I hear that. Good old sizzle. Woo! It's hot. But it's looking like almost done. Got a couple more minutes. I'm so ready to eat. Oh my gosh. So the fries looking real good. This is what I put on the fries. Ooh, look at that. It looks so good, bro. another late night getting the order packed up, and I'm gonna go drop it off. So she ordered 3 of our wine tube glasses from the Semi News collection. We have Millionaire, Billionaire, and Wealthy. And then she ordered a sample of Millionaire. So I'm about to take a couple pictures and then pack it up. If you're interested in lip gloss or lip scrubs, make sure you click the link in the description box. These are pigmented. The more gloss you apply, the more pigment you will see.